Ensure the Grade B batch is labeled correctly before moving it to storage.
Confirmed. We'll get it racked immediately.
The stress test confirms the elasticity meets standards. See the consistent pass rates here.
The data aligns perfectly.
Approved for production.
Watch the conveyor, bring it forward slowly. Affirmative, moving to staging area 3 now.
Teams. Engineers perform final checks on rubber batches. Every batch is verified carefully.
Machines roll out smooth rubber sheets. The layer is applied onto rotating drums and pressed evenly.
Textile cords are added to strengthen the tire body. Machines weave fibers into precise patterns. Each cord is positioned with accuracy. The tire begins forming its round shape on the drum. Layers are pressed together tightly. Machines rotate continuously for sidewall rubber is applied carefully to both sides. Machines spread rubber evenly along edges. The tire structure expands slightly. Heat ensures proper bonding.
High-pressure rollers press all layers together tightly. Air pockets are removed completely. The tire structure becomes compact.
The green uncured tire is now fully formed. Robotic arms lift it carefully. It is still soft and flexible.
Vulcanization begins under extreme heat and pressure. Rubber starts chemically transforming. The transformation is highly controlled. Engineering precision is critical.
First one looks solid. Yeah, pressure looks even across the tread.
Accurate. Quality inspection teams examine each tire closely. They check tread depth and symmetry. Digital scanners analyze structure. Pressure resistance testing begins immediately. Heavy loads are applied to tires. Machines simulate real-world weight. Tires maintain stability.
The structure is stiffening nicely inside the mold. Pressure bonding is complete.
Confirmed. We are clear to initiate the cooling cycle. No defects detected.
Mold engravings start forming detailed tread patterns. Heat presses design into rubber surface. Precision molding is achieved.
Pressure in section 3 is holding steady.
Good. Temperature is perfectly even.
No adjustments needed.
Flawless engineering control.
The temperature is stabilizing.
Okay.
Quality check is proceeding smoothly. No defects found so far.
Orleans.
Inspection teams begin detailed visual checks. Tires are rotated for examination. Digital scanners assist inspection.
Data confirms high resistance. Only premium tires qualify. Inspection systems finalize approval. Quality assurance is completed. Stage 3 reaches conclusion.
Structure. Pressure load testing begins immediately after rotation. Heavy mechanical arms down. Weight is in. Serial numbers are printed on each tire sidewall. Automated machines handle marking process. Each code is unique and traceable.
Pallet 37 is ready to go.
Copy that.
Check the dimensions one last time.
Make sure those straps are tight.
Approved, ready to go. Slow, easy. Stop, perfect. Inventory updated. Clear to back out. Back slowly. Locks engaged, check. Copy that, all secured.
Convoy of trucks moves outside factory premises. Tires are now ready for world markets. Logistics coordination is smooth. Transport is in progress.